Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why won't my key fob work after I change the battery? The most common problem with these car key fobs is that the batteries go dead over time, in which case replacing the battery should fix the problem. Take the key fob apart and check for broken contacts or misaligned buttons. Reprogram your remote yourself or have a professional do it. Why is my key fob not being detected? Reasons: your car won't detect the key fob. The battery inside the remote is dead. The remote itself is broken or no longer programmed to your car. The car battery is low. The keyless operation system is faulty. How do I reprogram my Chevy key fob? On your Chevy key fob, press and hold the unlock and lock buttons simultaneously until you hear the door locks engage and disengage again, indicating that you have successfully programmed your key fob. Reinsert the newly programmed key into the ignition in the on position to end the programming sequence. Do I need to drive car after changing battery? If your car does start, let it run for a few minutes to help charge the battery further. Unhook the clamps in the reverse order of how you put them on. Be sure to drive your car for about 30 minutes before stopping again so the battery can continue to charge. Otherwise, you might need another jump start.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.